Coinbase Wallet and the whole Coinbase team has been teasing something called TBA, which stands for to be announced, but also stands for the best app. I've been testing Coinbase Wallet in beta, and today I want to talk about it, share what I like and what I'm excited about. Hi, I'm Vana, and I usually make crypto make sense, but today I'm making TBA, or the best app, make sense. So first, a quick backstory. Coinbase Wallet scratched out their name and wrote to be announced. There has been a lot of guessing what TBA means. The TBA meaning that I knew and heard about before is to be announced, but TBA actually stands for the best app. Before this, Coinbase Wallet was pretty standard like any other self-custody wallet. You could store your tokens, your NFTs, do some swaps, but now they're pushing to bring billion people on chain, and they want Coinbase Wallet to feel like your favorite social app and not just some scary tool. So what is the problem they're trying to solve with this, you might ask? If you ever onboarded anyone to crypto, you know how clunky wallets can feel, and a person doesn't want to switch between a wallet and a browser and multiple dApps or apps to have to mint an NFT or to do anything on chain. So what they're trying to do is to make an app that feels like something they already use. They can post in it, they can view video content so easily, which I'm going to show you in a second how it looks like. They can chat with each other. It's something that is palpable and familiar, but also on chain. So it have some new features, but it's not so hard to grasp. I was invited to test Coinbase Wallet in beta, and I'm going to share with you some of my favorite features. So I just opened my Coinbase beta testing wallet, and as you can see here, it looks similar to the regular Coinbase wallet with addition of a couple of features that I'm going to speak about. You can see that I already chatted with Banker and Satuet. You can see your balance like in any other wallet. Some featured apps. You can chat with different agents, so I asked the banker which token I should buy today. You have trending mini apps, so you can see what other users are using, and some other options to browse which apps are available. They're here divided in different categories. If you click on these two little humans next to the homepage, you can access your social feed. Coinbase Wallet has partnered with Forecaster, so this is practically a Forecaster feed with a difference that you don't have to go to another app to access it. If you click on your profile, it looks exactly like your profile of Forecaster with a difference that you can access it directly here. And if you go here to the feed, you can see you have two sections. One is Discover section and other one is Video section. Discover section is just a regular feed, but what I really like about it, there is a video section. You can see people videos who posted on Forecaster just by scrolling. And what is good about it is onboarding new users. They already use Instagram, TikTok, maybe YouTube Shorts, and this looks exactly like what they're already familiar with. You can post from the app just clicking on this pen here, and then you can write testing TBA app, and then you can put any images here if you want. You can take a photo. I'm gonna use this photo and I'm gonna post it. Other than images and text, you can also use mini apps here, and you can check what they're for. Like there is fundraising, newsletter, live chat, and many different features here. I'm gonna post here, internet. You can see now that my post is there, my digital twin. Other than this, it's just a regular crypto wallet, meaning that you can use all the features that you already have in any other crypto wallet or currently in the Coinbase wallet that you have access to, like swapping, sending, and like whatever you already do. But other feature that I really like that they have is you can request to get paid. So you can request, I'm gonna request in dirham because my currency is set to dirham, so I'm gonna request 10 dirham. I'm gonna swipe and I just created a link to send me 10 dirhams. I'm gonna post it down below in the link. If you like this video, send me 10 dirhams. I'm joking. The next tab is chat, where you can chat with any users that turned on this feature. So if this feature is not turned on, you will not be able to chat with this person. You can see your notifications. They look quite well organized because you can see all followers, all likes, and they're grouped so it doesn't look cluttered. And the team is really hyping this up. Chintan, their head of engineering, literally said, it's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be the best app. So what's next? Tomorrow on 16 July is a new day one. Bases next chapter. If you are in Los Angeles, you can attend in person, or if you're not like me, you can just attend the live stream. You can sign up for live stream on YouTube, click notifications on, and you will be able to tune in and hear from Brian Armstrong, Jesse Pollack, Gary Vee, and many other CEOs, entrepreneurs, as well as TBA team. I will leave the link below if you want to sign up. So what is my personal take on all of this? I think it's really refreshing. There has been a lot of clunky crypto tools that are hard for onboarding new users. So if they really succeed and make this wallet to be an app that people actually want to use, it could really onboard the next billion. But of course, let's see tomorrow the announcement and what team has to share. What do you think? Will they actually pull it off? Drop your guess what the TBA stands for in the comments. If you found this video helpful, or if you learned something new about Coinbase Wallet, or what's going on and what is TBA, or if you just got some useful information from it, support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more videos to come. See you in the next one.